This is an up-and-coming project. This is a 427 body shape Cobra. It's actually 2.5 meters long, so it's quite big. I'm just sizing it up for wheels. I thought a 10-inch wheel was going to fit. I've got a couple of different wheels to fit in there, but I can't get a low enough profile tyre to make that work. So that's an 8-inch tyre, which is the right sort of diameter. Maybe go a little bit bigger. I think that's a 16958. A rib type tyre. So I'll probably go for an 18858. Could use it as a buck to make an alloy body, or I could just use the bits as they are and paint it and just do a quick project with, say, a pit bike or quad bike, 3-speed automatic engine with reverse. And then I've got another one, which is this one up in the rafters. This is also about 2.5 meters long, and for the same sort of size wheel, that is a D-type Jag with the fin. It's got a little bit of damage at the front. Don't know if you can see that. But yeah, these are two up-and-coming projects.